Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a cover photo for your videos on CapCut PC. So select a frame that you want to make the cover of your videos. So select cover here, and then you can add in filters. You can also add in some effects here, remove background, adjust it, etc, etc. Then you can also select from these video cover templates that they have. There's like these one, which is like the pro feature. They have this one. You can also like change the text here as well as the font, etc, etc. You can just play around with it. You can upload photos, add in designs, shapes, stickers, frames, etc, etc. I can't explain it all because it's going to take forever to do that, but that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.